아기랑. Oh, we never visit this place in daytime.
예.
Oh, that guy catches the fish.
예?
Yes, a small one. And be careful here, just.
Oh, maybe some birds live here. Oh,
Because so many snakes for birds. These fishermen bring. Busan Tower입니다. А how to say tower?
타워.
Tower. No.
오, 이쁜데.
Living there
Really?
in that building 102. Again, Syria. 도다리.
This?
양도다리입니다.
No, 남항대교.
Why?
Because here 남항.
Naman is some distance.
Southport.
Southport. No. Naman?
남항.
Jigalchi. What is it?
자갈치, don't know some fish name?
Why here so big place?
For society?
Or maybe government plan people pictures.
Here really can do everything. 여기서 사람들이 이렇게 산책을 많이 하시네요. 좋은 공원이 있습니다. 오, 커피 팔고 그런 거 하는 트럭도 있어요. 그리샤?
It means some if you do some some crime, government bend your leg with chain with a big stone and drop in ocean.
Yes, and he so struggle.
Each year, every year some 10 dedushka dead because of fishing here. Be careful. Save dedushka, save planet. Remember Chedro, you used to remember. Why everywhere cold?
예쁘죠? 저기도 또 낚시하는 아저씨가 있어요. 이렇게 서울에는 한강변으로 해서 산책로가 돼 있는데 부산은 이렇게 바닷가 변에 산책로가 잘 돼 있어요. 너무 좋죠? 저쪽에 보이는 불빛은 그 자동차 주차장처럼 배 주차장인데요. 묘박지라고 부릅니다. 저기 보시면 화장실도 물고기 모양으로 되어 있어요.
Or maybe original shit now.
그러면
Вечный огонь. It's like, looks like constant fire. Remember some glory fire. Why everybody here? Because they're more fun.
don't know, because they spend money for advertising here. Yeah, it needs to be like this.
It's not good. Okay,
Maybe you just